Hey everyone, I'm Steven. Have you ever thought that science can be so fun? Today, I'm going to share with you some super cool science activities designed specifically for preschoolers. These simple and creative science experiments for preschoolers not only allow children to have fun, but also allow them to easily understand some basic scientific principles. Whether it's how to separate water and oil or make a rainbow erupt from a volcano, the science projects for preschoolers will definitely surprise you. In the next few minutes, I will show you 5 simple preschool science experiments. These activities are not only simple and easy to do, but also help children improve their observation, hands-on, and problem-solving skills. So if you also want your children to learn knowledge while having fun, quickly pick up your experimental tools and get started together.
Water and oil, superocean. Let's start with a classic preschool science experiment, separating water and oil. You'll need some oil, water, and brightly colored food coloring. When you mix them together, the kids will be amazed to see that oil and water don't mix at all. This experiment helps them understand the different properties of substances and, through hands-on experience, learn about the difference in liquid densities. It's simple, fun, and suitable for preschool children. Rainbow Volcanexter. Next, let's do a hands-on science activity for preschoolers. The Rainbow Volcano Experiment. You'll need a small container, some baking soda, vinegar, and a few drops of food coloring. When these two substances come into contact, you'll see colorful foam erupting like a volcano. This experiment helps kids understand acid-base reactions and sparks their curiosity about natural phenomena. Plant growth experiment. If you want your kids to experience the wonders of science firsthand, try this preschool science project, a planting experiment. Take a bean, place it in some moist soil, and watch it sprout and grow. Through this activity, children can witness the miracle of science, which helps cultivate their respect and understanding of life. Status electricity. We can also do a preschool science experiment to demonstrate the magic of static electricity. Rub a balloon against your hair, and then bring the balloon near a piece of paper. Kids will be amazed to see the paper pieces sticking to the balloon. This activity allows kids to directly feel the power of static electricity and introduces them to the basic concept of electrical charges. Sink or float experimentally. Let's do a simple single float experiment. Use various objects and place them in water to observe whether they float or sink. This science activity for preschoolers teaches kids about the density and buoyancy of objects. It's a fun activity that's perfect for doing with young children. And there you have it. 5 fun and easy science experiments for preschoolers that you can try with your little ones at home. These activities not only help kids learn key scientific concepts, but also encourage them to explore, observe, and ask questions.
Well, today's 5 fun and simple preschool science experiments are over. These activities can not only help children understand some basic scientific concepts, but also inspire their spirit of exploration, observation, and creativity. If you also want your children to learn science while having fun, pick up the materials and get started. If you like today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.